on. Let's see what it does.
I'm scared.
Me too.
In the world?
Hey guys, it's Traeh and I'm back with my, I was about to say youngest daughter.
I'm not your youngest. I'm your oldest daughter. Are you sure? Let me get this on camera. Guys, it's Traeh and I'm back with the horse story.
With the horse story. With the horse story. I'm back with the horse story. Hey guys, it's Traeh and I'm back with my oldest daughter,
Raegan.
And today's video is going to be super exciting. She doesn't even know what this video is about, what it entails, none of that. She is clueless. Are you nervous?
No.
You're not nervous?
I kind of like doing videos.
What about videos where you don't know what's going to happen?
I'm very excited about that.
Oh, okay. So, in this video, okay, you have to eat ketchup, mustard, and peanut butter all at once. You excited now?
No! You know I hate all of them.
I was just seeing if you were going to be down for any video.
Not a video like that.
So, I have a question for you. Do you know how to do your own hair?
Yes.
You do? What you know how to do? Tell me why I've been doing your hair so long. You know how to do it, so why am I doing it?
I know how to make a ponytail.
For real? Oh.
And even 2 ponytails.
Really? How you know? You be practicing? On who?
My Barbie dolls.
Oh. Okay. Well. Do you know how to twist your hair? You do? Show me. Show me right now. You know how to twist it. Okay. Oh, snap! Oh. You got the concept. Oh, okay. We gotta work on it a little bit, but you got the concept. That's what I'm talking about. Did you know that there's a tool that you can use that twists your hair for you? So you don't have to do it. It just does it for you. Did you know that?
No. How do it twist your hair?
Well, I don't know, because I ain't even tried it. We trying to know you first. Is that okay? Alright, cool. Look. This is the quick twist by Air. You're supposed to just put your hair in it and it just twists it. So, I don't know. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we gonna try it on you today, okay? Because my hair done been through enough with that rice water. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch that video, okay? My hair has been through enough. So we're gonna try it on Raegan's hair. And I did see another YouTuber actually use this on her hair, so I'll link her video down below. But yeah. Oh.
Where is it?
Alright. So here it is. Oh, it came with some clips, some little hair accessories.
This is
All
just
right.
by opening an LOL.
It's a surprise. Hopefully this works for our hair. Cause you know. No, I don't think that's how it goes. I don't even think that's twisted. So, this was hard as crap to open. Listen. Press on. Let's see what it does.
I'm scared.
Me too. Okay. You lift this up and just put your hair through, and then it'll twist it.
Okay. There's a cookie line.
Alright, so your hair is not freshly detangled. I actually just took her braids out. So, this ain't gonna be perfect. But let's see. I'm gonna coat your hair with a little bit of oil first. See? I'm just gonna hook it in there. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
Alright, it's in there. Are you ready?
Yes.
Lift your head up. Do you not want to do it? If you don't want to do it, we don't have to do it.
I want to.
Okay.
I'm just doing that because I'm a skater.
You what?
He's skater.
Oh shit. You want me to do it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
This is not in there.
Hold up.
What in the world? Okay, do nothing.
Hold up. Okay, that was a fail. Let's see how we get it to actually twist. What? Okay. All right, we got it. Go. Okay. Stop. And now twist it. Not bad. You want to add a little clip on it?
Yeah.
All right, let's add a clip. What do you guys think? This is a decent twist. I mean, her hair is not detangled. We're not working on freshly blow-dried hair. So, I mean, that is a twist. I mean, it is a twist. Cute. Okay. Okay, girl. Here.
I don't want to drink.
Okay. Oh, another pink. Oh, wow. Okay. Long hair problems. Can't relate.
Wait, this.
Wait. All your hair isn't in there. Look at this. Oh. Take. Ray. What? Oh, you need some help. You got it. Oh, okay. Okay. Do you have a twist?
Yeah.
Let us see it.
I'm done.
Awesome. Do you like it? Okay.
I need to look in the mirror. So this is Ava. Hi guys.
Ava's hair is a little tangled, but it's all good. Need some help? You got it? All right.
It actually twisted her hair.
Oh, that looks good. Let us see. Okay, Ava. Okay, girl. You like the quick twist thing for her hair?
Yeah.
It works good?
Very cute. I might do her whole hair.
Alright guys, so that's it for this video with Raegan trying out the quick twist. I feel like it worked out. You like it? I mean, it's decent. For what it is, it's decent. She can use it for her doll. I'm not too mad at it because I think it was like $13. Again, I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to check it out. But I want the other one that actually rotates because if it works out, I won't ever twist my hair again. I'm just saying because with the wrap air, that was a game changer. So, I mean, it's cute. I like it. So, give this video a thumbs up. I know you guys aren't going to be able to leave comments on this video. So, go head over to my Instagram and comment because I'll leave a little snippet of this video over there. So, go and comment. And we hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.
Hey guys, it's Traeh and I'm back with the hood story. And I'm back with the hood story.
Hey.